The weekend belonged to the Carling Knockout quarterfinals as well as CAF Club Continental Football. Richards Bay FC as well as Abafana Batsende are through to the semi-finals. The other two semi-final spots will be decided in midweek as Orlando Pirates as well as Stellenbosch were both in continental action. And speaking of Esgama Kefula, they've been knocked out of the CAF Champions League. This is a side that finished, of course, in the top 4 last season. Good evening and welcome to our broadcast. My name is Lindiwe Dube. Thank you all so much for joining us. Please do engage with us on social media using that hashtag #SSFanbase. Buyo, let's get straight into it. Lamontville Golden Arrows exited the Carling Knockout last season in the first round. They were knocked out by Mamelodi Sundowns. 5-0 is how it ended. However, it's a different story this time. They are now led by the same man who knocked them out last season, Coach Manqoba Mngqithi, and has taken them to the semi-finals, Buyo, of the Carling Knockout.
Lindi thanda ukuthi umnandi ezweni nje ngiqale ngalawo magama lawo.
Yazi umnandi kanjani mawuwinile?
Hawo, nokhala man, yazi kuyaphela man. Let's get into the game, Lindi. You know what, mangenza i-mathematics yami ne-head to head yami. Uyabona i-TS Galaxy, they play good mabedlala ne-Golden Arrows. Mangibheka i-Golden Arrows i-consider the last time bedlala 5 games head to head, i-consider 10 goals, i-Golden Arrows. So now in football ikhona lento ukuthi yazini sizozibuyisa into, and that's what Manqoba did today. Ngoba khona le gama elithi life ini angeke njalo uma nungishaya ring nungishaya one thing zobuyi. So njengobuyile uManqoba. So but it didn't start well because I was watching the game. It was just a mistake at defense here, TS Galaxy. Umfana ushayile, then it defender that defender, but then it was a deflection from number 3. Okay, they tried to buy a game in Golden Arrows. Hence they say in football, it's not game over. Njengoba bakwazile ukuthi bakore nge-set piece. And then ngithanda ukubongela nalo mfana lo owine i-man of the match kule game le, because of the boy is very good. I mean, from Kaizer Chiefs, we groomed him. Today winning man of the match, I'm proud of him. But then ngithanda ukubongela noManqoba, because it's not called ukuthi uManqoba the experience anayo all the way from Mamelodi Sundowns. uManqoba Mngqithi is one of the coaches mina engaba compare nabo Steve Kompela in terms of the experience, you know, in terms of labo coach abangathatha amathimba wabeke ungamangala futhi uManqoba njengoba iChiefs ingekho ku-black level ne-Sundowns, ungamangala uManqoba afike kuma-semi-final because
semi-final manje.
Oh yeah, thank you.
Oh,
semi-final. Yes, ungamangala adlala i-final because also they've got good boys, you know. Some of the boys there, they are young, they are learning. Hence they say in football football is a game of mistakes and you learn from those mistakes. And njengoba ngisho ukuthi uManqoba ungamangala ke afike nakwi-final ashaye bona laba abasela bomakhelwane, ngoba siyazi ukuthi ibhola abadlalayo shem ligude ibhakaniya lizoya kwi-final, but ungamangala ke uManqoba ahlangane nabo face to face abashaye. Sengikhuluma manje ngoManqoba, the experience anayo, and the way ngibelieve kuye ngakhona because of he's one of the good coaches, and la abuya khona from Sundowns, all the experience ayigeinile from Sandawana, Pitso, nangu uManqoba manje look uthatha i-Arrows uyoyibeka kuphi. I mean congratulations to Manqoba Mngqithi.
2-1 after extra time is how it ended. Lamontville Golden Arrows advancing to the semi-finals. Wise men, how does it feel to have a Matima 2 from Natal into the semis?
And at least you've got 2 teams that are on the semi-final. I wish both of them they can go to final, but it also depends on bazodlala kanjani for the next games. But as a province yase-KZN sijabule kakhulu ukuthi abafana ba-qualify these 2 teams by ku-semi-final, both the Golden Arrows and Richards Bay. ilokho nje sisilinde ngakusho for now.
Lindy, mina ngizothi iTX Galaxy ucoach lo manje lo une problem because sekadlale 3 games in a row yakhe. So into ekumele ukuthi bayibheke leyo because of if akhela on kaso then uzoyenda lapha ikhapha isale emsileni. But yona iTX Galaxy idlala kahle if ubheka labafana labo bobuso nalomfana uwakamahlambi. I mean those are good players. Even idliwe namhlanje but if you check the ball position about around 51% versus the Golden Arrows 49 with 10 goal attempts TS Galaxy. So compound with TS Galaxy is just that lady but we wish them all the best.
Yeah, I mean, it was a come from behind performance from Golden Arrows, and also coach Manqoba Mnisi did also credit the players and how TX Galaxy play football and how they approach this particular clash.
Yes, thank you so much, Lindy. Viewers at home, everyone who was absent maybe due to attending different games out there. Yes, Lindy, we were looking at both games, how they performed. Golden Arrows, really, they started very at a slow pace, and they find it very difficult to can penetrate TS Galaxy. But when one looks at these two teams, they play almost similar style of football. How their transitions are actually being run and received from the back and up until the front. But Golden Arrows really, it was finding difficult. But it happened in football that when you position yourself well for any set piece, you might definitely get that goal. We saw Makwele scoring those important goals for Golden Arrows, which was a plus because they were trailing from behind 1-0 and they equalized at the right time. That gave them a plus to say, no, we're going to go on extra time, and they managed to seal it that way. So for Manqoba, yes, we know him. He's a very experienced coach. But allow me to say, Lindy, according to my own observation, Manqoba is just one coach that can do wonders when he's not under pressure, not for these bigger teams. Give him the so-called small teams by our own saying or by our own observations, and that's where he will definitely show you. When we can look back some years back when he won that the other cups, yes, and it tells you, it speaks volumes of him, that when you have these players who doesn't have that stage fright and everything, so he does well. That's how I saw it today. Good luck to those KZN teams. It's a plus for them. My brother here, they are smiling, which is good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Tebogo. Dashili, uyibone jang di quarter finals da Carling this weekend?
Nalindi samathomukile kuyisa Golden Arrows. It's very best coach. Mazuba Mnisi ki coach lithi. Amini ujile Sundowns. Sundowns ujile Real Madrid ya South Africa. So Manqoba uya final Lindi. Nakile kuyisa team tsako Zulu Natal. Kira hayi Lindi. This year diapili Lindi. Kire Golden Arrows ikuya final Lindi. Ikuya final Golden Arrows. The way Jalangate, I mean it's very experienced coach Lindi. So Golden Arrows kayithepha Lindi. Kayithepha satlobola abantu. Basatlola abantu Golden Arrows. Kuyalebola Lindi.
Thank you so much, Dashili. 2-1 is how it ended for Lamontville Golden Arrows. Elsewhere, KZN Richards Bay also needed extra time. 3-1 victory over Durban City in the KZN derby to book a third consecutive semi-final spot in the Carling knockouts. Frank, hey, yazi eThekwini asicale ngeRichards Bay nokuthi nabo just like Lamontville Golden Arrows had a come from behind performance. Durban City kwareqala, however they were able to bounce back and ensure ukuthi baya advance kuma semis.
Asibingelele sisilindi bese sibongela yona iRichards Bay yeah ngokuwina, even though igame yakhona ibit tough. Sibone i-first half iphelele kungena goal, then what happened yapusha ezinga Gavin Hunt and okuhlungu ngoGavin Hunt ukoreqala and from there wa relaxa ya ukurelaxa kwabo yona into ebenze ukuthi bagcine bezoya nako extra time. Then coming to Richards Bay, kunendoda lapha yana sisilindu, I think Knox Mutisa. Yeah, and le yangwenya indala, and for me I deserve ukudlala emathimini amancane. Fanele ngamanje seyidlala kumathima lawa athe kwamakhulu. Yeah, because experience yakhe iyona ethathe i-team ifaka extra time. Then coming to extra time, hayi yakora ukugcina la sizoyigcina sezithi 3-1. Because igolike elokugcina lingene bese kulate, maybe bese zithi boma 25 minutes, 2 minutes before umdlalo uphela. Ya bese ilokuzana isiphushela ukuthi equalize emuva baba nama mistake amaningi. But into engayisho ukuthi ngibongela i-team yangakithi KZN Richards Bay, and the way iza ngakhona it's possible ingafika ku-final. Yeah, thank God.
Goals from Knox Mutizwa, Lundi Mahala, as well as Mbulelo to send Richards Bay through to the semi-finals of the Culling knockout scheme. I mean, you look at the match, if it like extra time, do you think Durban City struggled? Game has a fit like extra time, and then Richards Bay barifa experience.
Thank you. Go check it. Senagare or one or for the hacker to Skimoga level, yeah, or one of our good team nets about drawer. Can I know Durban City to reply just out to maybe one appeal, but government try Durban City Richards Bay a winner, but Ushapu go get him Jipija Durban, no one we know level in play with 2 teams for Durban. I wish my coach government to win and lift that cup, but the team in January did Richards Bay win 3-1. They progressed to semi-final with the Uraroga level la team one ya Durban ye one ilo ya final arto Dr. Menala Braro o yo batroso ya bararo ba khala bele re bona scheme ara right manoro wona fedi ya kuma pretana di oto go ba lo scheme na mata but di pretana boto le musadi le mama mo o re today o ba tlo bola nya le dumisa le ga mama
se phela nkosona
se phela rena lindiwe bola lindiwe o ro bona bana ka game
I'm viewers game right, yeah.
O lindore game ya Richards Bay tela Durban le diraga weekend game na o ibone bana game ya Saturday.
No, game is Saturday be right. No banje baye bakora but ixesha labe seliphele, but bazamile shame. Well done to them.
Ya re le go go tsona mo fan base o di fan base shine le batho ba mayelo to matango.
Malindi.
Yes, Sandawana, welcome. What about Durban City? What did you make of that performance? Because against Polokwane City in the first round, they went to extra time as well. This time around, what did you think of their performance?
Malindi, umtakataka ntotse mnati. Umutwa di sauce. Go Sundowns wa Regina Maltswayo. Yala waditsa.
Okay, it's Sandawana.
Malindi, your question is really based on the Durban City or on this one, yeah. The Durban City and Richards Bay.
You can, yeah, Durban City, Richards Bay, yeah.
Yeah, to be honest, they gave me a Durban City,
yeah.
Okay. But the one I watched it was this one, Yamangoba, because Eric added on this one, Yamangoba, because everyone was speaking about Kemia, TS Galaxy, and the Golden Arrows. You must understand Mangoba. Only a license, he's a technician, he's not a small boy. It's just that the coach like Mangoba, I think the Aka province, where you come from, Bagofa, Merego to a bigger team. So Mangoba, because of Baba Ngobarenke, Parktown FC. Parktown FC, I think they'll go through finally, and then Mangoba meet with experience from the past. You must understand, or Mangoba is not the first time I participated to the cups. There's a cup I win, I think it was 4. And the Golden Arrows, I think I better Ajax, Cape Town. So no,
In
MTN 8.
2009.
No one believe or Mangoba I can do that in a final because not any coach you can win 4-0 or 5
in a final. Yeah.
No one. You understand?
Yeah.
So now I still believe in Mangoba. It's one of the coach, they nominate them PSL League Coach of the Year. Because if they nominate you, it's not anyone who can arrive in that position. So now, go conclude Mangoba is going to final. I need a ruler. He's going to the final. He's an engineer. So you'll teach go Parktown or how to win the cup.
Yeah.
Sure.
Lindy to add to play game late Durban City in Richards Bay. Anything you notice among Bergama states and all that. Bengaqali mina ukubona igame yabo was not surprised my phela draw because the last time Durban City ne Richards Bay bathanda vele ukudlala ama draw. They played a draw ye 1-1, they played a draw ye 0-0. You can also do your research uzoyibona lento engisho, and then by winner Richards Bay last game yabo head to head yabo. So with also the experience in football, experience counts, you know. So with the players that they have in Richards Bay, they showed that they are in this competition to compete, with the play table to compete. So for Kevin Hunt, it was not his day, and I think Amaplat defense they didn't come to the party. That's why they considered those goals. And I'm here so we play level. These are the goals that they bring in the game, you know. I always say, take your chances from out of the box, pick the spot, and that's what they did Abafana Richards Bay. Hence, Umgano Mashiro la Ulokozo Frank Uguti Abo Noxim Tears with their experience, Capatino Mango, you know. So I'm not surprised. Richards Bay, they dominated the game. Yeah, Richards Bay, they won the game. Thank you.
Yeah. Darren Keats was voted the player of the match. I want to ask you, are you guys voting for the player of the match? Because Darren Keats said, I feel that the award should go to a Richards Bay player.
Sislindi siyavota so kuya ngokuthi ke ubani uthola amavoti amaningi. So I think now Darren Keats deserve because first 90 minutes 45 minutes badlale kahle Durban City, they dominate pole position yangakubo. Unfortunately towards the end of the game it's where they lack concentration and then they concede goal. Extra time it's where Richards Bay now start to dominate, gain a momentum and score 3 goals and then they qualify. It's only that is happening in that game.
And then Richards Bay, I mean, having already tasted, you know, a semi-final spot, is this the year where they will advance to the finals?
I think Lindy bazo-advance. Abozikali bazimisele laphana bafuna ukuthi bafike kwi-final because even kule game if you are back, ama-coach wethu la under pressure because awawini ama-game la abaqeda ukuwadlala yena uGavin naye ucoach uRooney. So mina ngizothi Richards Bay definitely i-final ingafika and they've got players la angayithatha ayise kwi-final including i-captain yabo le uNcanane udlala kamnandi lapha nemuva. So I go for Richards Bay ucineka. Yeah, I'm sorry to say, yeah, izoya ku-final if he is misela lead ingafika.
Okay, thank you, Putumtogo. Well, Richards Bay will travel to Polokwane on Saturday while Durban City welcome Kaizer Chiefs in the Betway Premiership. Continue to connect with us on social media using the hashtag #SSFanbase. You can also call us in studio via Zoom. Stay with us. The conversation continues after this. Welcome back to the biggest show on your World of Champions. Thank you so much once again for joining us. Let's talk all things CAF Champions League because Orlando Pirates have exited the competition before the group stages for the first time since the 2023-24 season. Skim. I mean, this is a big one for Ezimnyama Yekani because last year they advanced to the semi-finals, missing out in the second leg. Skim, after performance ya Mawani.
Skim, thank you. That's why I roll my Pirates. Agalma Pirates. Owo Togo Pirates Ilusan sold out Orlando got penalties. So Galibel. Ralgul foot 5 minutes without a strike. Also na striker. Roba striker got midfield. But the coach idea Siloka Simon Selindi. Support of Orlando Pirates come to stadium, come support the boys. Really into Galibel. Revrele safi ugarecha ba team le away ugaleba team le away una muthu musu wa tsoro uba gitile fandamla la ke mathomo in my football ke bona lo jele dia
hey
ntole simple give the guy red card go out we play football now utaka rolo slini if fight everywhere at the stadium ugaleba mfana ukora ruisa polo ka umuthi ka toho but for Moremo to react like that Remutwareje it was wrong was supposed to relax but we fight, we score 3 goals, we go to penalties. You know penalties is but our goalkeeper Kenala Lujele Diak Musmanola Timil Kenodi Leja goalkeeper is Castle Petrua. Almost a goalkeeper Logan. You know China knows a miss a crowd. He never do that. Can I let you know Diego woman watch a Taraja or Narzi? China almost well indeed. Parents one like a safe Maromzon and Matana or Galvelo to the party Maputuma. Don't worry, fan. Some Pagania Araquata. We win a team, we lose a team, but for Otto, we lose the. I know Otto when he plays penalty. He Osha penalty straight, more goalkeeper low. That's what we do. Kina Damanuna tried Lega Gwas dreams, but we'll move on. Sundowns can take care. We'll support Sundowns. I'm not like Kaizer Chiefs when a team play Africa. You support a team for Africa. Sundowns, go and take the CAF, have a star, give us a league. We'll support them when the team comes South Africa. I wish Sundowns they can pair with that team to take them out. Don't do that when you play football. But we'll see them on Tuesday. We love you all. Don't stress Maputuma. Otto, don't stress. China, don't stress. We win together, we lose together. But for the coach, I can tell you a strategy to play for 5 minutes without one strike. Look when he bring Maputuma. Paris come to play and we score. We score. We score police. In last minutes, we score. We go to penalty. But Lindy will support the boys. And I must thank the supporters. Chiefs, Sundowns come to there to support us. But in trouble to go Vuyo, we lose, he celebrate. I was very disappointed. Not to say Vuyo. He's friend for Kaizer Chiefs. Don't do that when you play Africa. But we'll move on. Fremo total later. But rest of my pagana say, hey, we are not really. That's why I said when you see us on the street, please give all the parents hug, man. It's painful to go like that. But the boys say they're head Lindy. You can see when they dance. You know parents. When they leave, everybody said, Mapagania, we love you. Let's forget about the CAF. Sundowns, take the CAF. Give us the league. We'll support you. Thank you.
Thank you, Skimmy. 3-3 on aggregates. 5-4 on the day on penalties. Vox is joining us via Zoom. Vox, before we even get to the penalties, let's just talk about the spirited performance from Orlando Pirates, because to come back from 3-0 down was a good fight.
Greetings, everyone, please. Pirates played yesterday. You know, we always played, we fight from first minute until last minute. But as for yesterday, it was exceptionally well. We are all hurt. And then you only realize that now Pirates, if they want to score goals, they can score. But sometimes I think they're too lazy, because sometimes the referee himself, he was the one who had to take the pressure. In fact, he was putting more pressure to Orlando Pirates. Whatever mistakes that you see was committed, all the errors, and there were lots of things that we saw yesterday that we can't question it. And it was bad. I'm still going to say it was bad, because at the end of the day, Pirate was not representing the Pirate supporters only. We can argue about it and talk about it. Pirate was representing the whole South Africa. But yesterday, after what we saw yesterday, it's very painful. Yes, we lost, but we lost with pride. We've never played like this in many years. It's difficult and it's rare for a team to come back from 3-0 from 3-0 away and then you come and score 3-0. We ran out of time yesterday. If we had more time, we would have won the match fair and square after extra time. So you see now, we had some groups. We saw them, we see them and we saw them. But why do they have to go there? Those people, they treated us so bad. We still have a pain out of that. But no, my teams, they won't go all the way. And then they were celebrating as if they won. You know, their happiness only comes after. If parents lose, it's their happiness. At least today, it was a bonus for them to win. It's okay, Lindwe, we are all ahead. But the team that's going to come after now, which is Magezi, we're going to deal with Magezi. And then the penalties money can go either way. It can go either way. It's a lottery. That's why you choose numbers. If you choose the wrong numbers, then you lose. Unfortunately. And then we cannot blame Mbutuma. He's still a very young boy. It's a very good player. After entering there, Mani make a lot of moves. We even managed to score 2 goals. Our changes had to make sure that we scored all those 2 goals to equalize, to go to the penalties. After that, Mbutuma Mfana, we love you very much. And then the supporters, you saw Lindiwe. The supporters of Orlando Pirates, they take life very seriously. They take Orlando Pirates seriously. They take their families seriously. They take everyone seriously. Thank you very much, Lindiwe.
Thank you so much, Vox. Because it is a massive week for Orlando Pirates. They've got Makesi coming up in midweek in the Carling Knockout. And then on Saturday, they have Mamelodi Sundowns. What's next, Mapagania?
I was thinking already, but look, from here we move. We move, focus on leaking and this trophy because Sundowns, the Chiefs are woman. The trophy to so I think from now on, moving forward, we need to focus on the league because we have 2 games advantage. If we win the next game, we are on number 2, and Sundowns it's only going to be a goal difference. So from now on, we need to focus go play label. We need to focus leaking. So you know, as Imabuleki. Rapile man robeke rapile mapagania ezinyawo enkani zakhe phula umhlaba wamasipala zaphekisa siyaphaya
Sisilindi selikhulumile ibhakane ngiyacabanga kezwakala ezweni into engayisho sidliwe yes of course we are out of iCAF but ake sibheke ifuture sibheke indlela ezidliwe ngayo sibheke nendlela esiphushe ngayo from 3-0 sidliwa siye player game sisemuva fanele sishaye 3 goals and of course bekunabantu abaningi kade bethi it's impossible ukuthi Pirates ingakora amagola u3 what happened so shayile amagola u3 up until safika kuma penalty so into yama penalty ke into yanoma ubani so into engayisho mina njengamanje from what we saw yesterday yo sibakaniya sine future so if we sizo approach wonke ama game the way si approach igame yayizolo ngakhona angiyiboni team la eMzansi ezosivimba yeah so njengamanje ushile uBraskim ukuthi iSundowns ayidile ngeCAF iCAF kodwa kwileague ayingaphazamisana kwileague ayingaphazamisana I'm happy ukuthi inext game yethu kwileague siyodlala nabo bayibonele nabo and bayazi ukuthi what's going to happen so ilozana sizobamba nansi iCarling from there sibambe ileague konke kula eMzansi la sizokuthatha sikwi high level in terms of performance we
Nyaka
in the
league njengoba iCAF yakho
league obvious league obvious thank you check indlela ezidlala ngayo yeah if uzosifave ibhola not just ulwa ulicheke kahle bravuyo ibhola ungalibheki enhliziyo iPirates top mfethu
okay my man let me tell you now league it's a long marathon race mngani wami kweleka ama points wena so khuluma ngoMay asiyeke league ngoba don't count the chickens yet don't count the eggs yet mina ngikhuluma ibhola reality face it or yeah sese mngani wami
hayi okusalayo ukuthi ubethe ngekangena focus ekithi too much nakwi-CAF futhi le CAF lo engena star le yabo angeke baze bayithathe ubhale phansi sisilindi bazophuma sazoba mnandi ezweni.
Yes, Oslindi, you know, definitely, you know, when you go to a fight, you expect a serious, strong troops. You know what Pirates showed it definitely on Saturday, it was something out of this world. When you need people who can show character, those boys, they showed character. And when you look at how they are going to play their schedule, that's a very tight schedule. Magesi has been looking out to say, but this is how we're going to approach the Pirates game. Now, when when Pirates played against this team from Africa, Lindy, the same Maddock, I call him Maddock, the player that was giving Pirates all these out of game antics and stuff.
Yeah.
This was the plan. To say, we will give you somebody who's gonna do everything. Even if you can get a card, you'll be receiving this card for the team. And the very same player did all these shenanigans in the field of play to switch to an extent whereby Pirates lost their focus and they were focusing on this boy. On the other hand, time was never on their side. Now for Vox maybe to say Kaizer Chiefs supporters were sitting with the other a team from Africa. Kaizer Chiefs is just one a team which shows how things are done in South Africa. In South Africa, we don't have the thing that you are treated bad in Swaziland, then when you come to South Africa, we'll do the same. No, this is South Africa. We have qualified for World Cup, and these are some of the things that will show that we are going to treat the world the same way that we need to treat them, the football way. Now, Kaizer Chiefs was doing things the football way, not the other way around. Thank you.
I mean, Lupopo are through to the group stages of the CAF Champions League for the first time. Surely when you play Champions League football, even Coach Peter would say that it's brutal. You have to prepare yourself for anything because, yeah, it's brutal out there when you play Champions League football.
Malindi. Malindi.
Yes.
I think another problem is Champions League.
Yeah.
South African players understand Hotswaka Uwar Tambo. The minute when you travel, you go outside the country, going to work. That's why it's different when you leave home, when you're working at your home area, then someone is working outside the country. Pagadia, they know very well Champions League. Abaswan no complain.
Yeah.
Good interview, Tivo Touch, Metro FM Abugaore. He called Dr. Patrice. He was not, he write a letter about Dr. Patrice. He was not happy about the way they treat them all Lubumbashi. They were having a game here, TP Mazembe. Got the late Senzo. What happened? They know those things. They must not come with their stories about land bomb miners or Lubumbashi. No.
But some of the new players have never played Champions League football.
No. Madam.
Yeah.
When you play outside, play outside the country, there's a threat for Champions League.
Yeah.
You must understand why Lupopo, they were hungry more than Orlando Pirates. You must understand, here we're not Mutapa Vini, Kale Mutwa Jadi, the Sereleke, Kimale hungry. So they knew it when they're going to play Babamo group staging, they'll get big bonus more than Orlando Pirates. There's a 98% of the players of FC Lupopo, they don't have cars. It's a fact. So when you play with those people, don't make the excuses. As we don't make excuses, if Dr. Patrice, as a president of CAF, we're supposed to win 3 times or 4 times, but he didn't want to do 419 scam to everyone. He says Sundowns must win in a right way.
Yeah.
So when they come with the excuse about they were treated badly go Lubumbashi, one, they were sub-pirate is got more than every like the players sub-pirate in Tango DRC. They are more than all players. They more than all players in Kalango PSL. Pirate they're supposed to consult Felix Musasa. He's from Lubumbashi. They're supposed maybe this lady Barkimang Mamale.
the Marisol Respil, the wife, a policewoman, go UV. No, you're supposed to. They're supposed to do the research or by Chiefs Athletic Shop because they were playing good stadium was at TP Mazembe. And the TP Mazembe, the stadium, it was fine more than other stadium. You understand? So Pirate they mistakes, they knew it, or if they want to win again, they want to win again. But semi-final the problem second. A lot of problems go semi-final until Bakopan pyramid. So Lupopo was Vodacom challenge many years ago. They must not make the excuse. Mukoko. Another millimeter of Fandam. What gender because of they were hungry. In second our fan base are number one and good thing. Richie and good thing. Come to first place. Wait, you can go rectify. Rectify. Wow, this guy, he originally from Kinshasa. How do you know? I know those people have been traveling. I know. And about Kinshasa. Watch and go take a section. You remember there's a Kuluna when the minister Abolaya, those guys back. Oh, the guy who goes township in French you call voyou. Same voyou. So voyou. That's why you see the way under Etangate. You understand?
Yeah, with his
so they must come with drop into November. We are coming for group stage.
All right, thank you, Sandawan. Yes.
1 second, as a Pirates fans, we don't complain. They beat us.
Yes.
That's why Lindy the football by FIFA play. Lindy, we go there. They refuse the game to be Super Sport to televise the game. It's fine. The police needs the stadium with the guns. Second one, they come to Orlando Stadium. The same team were playing there. They come to Orlando. We treat them well. You see that guy was doing. If we don't have a love for football, we're supposed to go inside the team and take that man out. But because we love football, we don't complain. We leave the game. They beat us. After that, they sing at the back. Where they were players going home. We never do. Did you hear something on the news? They say Pirate, they beat people there. No. Well, the Pirates were out. That's why we said we will support Sanats. As a support for Pirates, we'll give you hugs when we see you. And then Trump brand new for Buffet. Again, y'all this year. But you know, careful to you. Give what about you? Promises look if Pirates win care for league. You come to my wedding. Now my wedding is going down. Everyone come.
Are you postponing the wedding?
No. I said if
for the League.
Yeah,
if you win the league.
Yeah, because now I'm left with the league.
Yeah.
If they win the league, or I'm still singing.
Thank you, Skimmy. On a positive note, Kaizer Chiefs up through to the CAF Confederations Cup group stages. Hence, Vuyo's happy mood today. Kutimtogo. Ngizizwa kanjani?
Lindy sijabule kakhulu sikhonile ukuthi simarinate le club yase simarinate bomzukulu hayi baye bebasegemini and we were very much happy and sijabule kakhulu Lindy. Umsindo wasinawo lokhona njengoba bathathi nasidlala i-federation akuna nkinga. Okusalayo kodwa we are representing South Africa lasko. So mele bawazi lokho ukuthi we are Chiefs, we are back and we are going to fight. Yeah, we are back. We're going to fight all the way. Ngiyabonga Lindy.
Lindy bathi sivutha manje. Yeah. Uyabona uvilakazi. Umlilo wamaphepha ngitheka umnandi ezweni. Uvilakazi uvutha manje bekabaphethe umfana omncane eDobsonville. Yeah, that's why umfana abanokuthi ama-fans we-Chiefs ekhala ukuthi the boy must be given an opportunity and to show his character and to show the skill that he learned from Atazwane. Umfana uyavutha, okunika bayavutha. Uyabona manje noma ngibulisa estradini, ngibulisa ngithi 3. Angikhali today. I'm happy. My heart is relieved. I'm having joy. I'm cruising nicely, you know? Yeah. I'm walking in a red carpet. Yeah. Ngamba ntofo. Yeah. Who's next? Who's next? Yeah. Olandela, I guess. Swafuna one by one. Yabona Enechurena. My management, I saw him, he was so happy. My man, yeah. Uyazna, Altiam. We started from Wednesday. Wednesday, my boys, they were recycling the ball a little bit too much in the middle field. On Wednesday, it's long
Yes, man.
yeah, so they must try not to do that. When we play football, the ball must go forward, Siapambi. And then also, Ucele, he was out of the game because they got considered too much of Amalukoza. Whatever, that's how I'm foul. Thank you, Lindy, I'm a foul. So, Abafana Bami, from Wednesday, today they played and they gave us each other. The last time Sidla left Dobsonville also, and he stating us locals. The last time we played at Dobsonville, we won 3-1. Because DSTV that time, we won 3-1. Jemba na namhlanje sishaya 3-1. Thank you.
Responde bako buy one get one free FC. No, bato responda ko buy one get one free FC. Bato responda bon. Lena ba ira draw on the 3rd. On the 3rd, go convention center in South Africa. Ya Kev. I know Rena automatically by the FC Lupopo. We're going to teach them. Rena 10 years in a row to be in a group stage. And no one in South Africa, Team A, PSL, Salabam, 10 years in a row group staging. And let me tell you something, Rena. Something for you. Let me tell you something. This has come from you. You are a big team in South Africa. We are the big team in the whole world globally. We are ranking number 1. The team won 8 times league in a row. We are waiting for Guinness World Record. They must come and give us that record. Bundesliga, Serie A, you name them, La Liga. We are no team in the whole world globally. That's why we are the big team in locally. Wait, we are a big team in locally. Rena know we have to play a league go Pluto, Jupiter, Uranus. Because we are not ranking anymore in No, they must make our league in no outside globally. Jupiter, Uranus, or Mars. We must go there and play there. So you people who buy one get one free. You think you arrive? You are not arrive. This is Mami Lodi. No. We don't do buy one get one free. We don't do buy one get one free. This is football. Don't joke. You are going for confederation, but there you go to taste your ice cream. No. We don't talk about supporters. We talk about the football we are doing. We are doing global. We are not doing Maraba start. You buy one get one free.
Okay. Timeri is joining us via Parania.
Jonga for your name. In month end, kuniza guy one. Get one free. Go kunya celebrate kumnandi. We are coming. Siseza udibana vuyo. Siseza udibanani vuyo. Njengoba namhlanje unwabile uhleke, siseza udibanani vuyo. Siseza kufumana. Namhlanje unwabile sizokungcwaba vuyo uzobona. Vuyo sizokungcwaba. Relax ulwa vuyo soma. Yabona namhlanje ukhomba phansi khoma phezulu. Uzothula siyebuye.
Okay, Timeri is joining us via Zoom, enjoying the Penta in studio. Timeri, the fact that all 3 goals from Amakosi came in the first half, does that mean you wanted it more?
Greetings, obviously, the greetings to the panel and greetings to viewers surfing base. Hey, what chances with you today? I think, the fact that we didn't score. I mean, we created chances in DRC, but we missed a lot of chances. We couldn't convert, and the fact that it was always going to be tricky for the DRC side to come here and also do what Ulupopo did. Because I mean, if you look at the Pirates game, even though I'm not going to talk much about it, you can see that Lupopo knew that they had done the work. But Simba, they had to do the work in South Africa. So it was always going to be tough for them, meaning that they were always going to seek for that one goal Nyanaji. So they were always going to open during the game. So I think for Chiefs for us to score 3 goals inside 30 minutes really showed the hunger, even though I'm still not convinced with us converting the chances. I mean, Pule Modi got 2, if not 3 or 4 chances today where we could have buried this team. And it comes back to us struggling to score in the league. Yes, today we did well, but we still can't overlook the fact that we are struggling in the league. Our last league win came in August. So, but for today, we will take the win and go to the group stages and see what we can do out of that. But we shouldn't put everything or keep converting while we are dropping points for leaking. So to the technical team and management, congratulations, and to the fans as well, congratulations. It will definitely be interesting to see how the 3 South African sides play. I mean, also congratulations to Stellenbosch. I mean, them reaching the semis of Cape Conference last season, one would have looked at how they perform, continenting, with the fact that they've been struggling here locally. So it always seems like you gotta choose where you struggle. If you do well here domestically, you struggle for continent. I think it's only Mamelodi Sundowns who have mastered the formula. But we will see how things go from here.
All right, thank you so much, Timedi. That hashtag on social media is Fanbase. Masandawana, of course, also winners. However, they did it very comfortably. In the first leg, they walked away with that victory, and today they wrapped it up at home, 7-1 against the Nigerian champions, Remo Stars. Masandawana?
Masandawana le batho ko mahaeng ke re khotso ya tile ko Pitori all over. Nna ke win Nelindi. Njalo ke bontshe wana mo fan base ke botsa batho ke re nna ke tlonka fat Alex nna aba believe Lindi le petway ke aka ba ba matswele mabane ke re sorry o bona aba tswele mabane ba lla today ke bona Voyo Lindi o thabile wa jaiba Lindi ke re Sandawana na right up peita Lindi sa peita peita Sandawana Lindi ke tla semi-final ya Champions League Lindi Keres Masandawana, go fair cruising the Talfaz, Kirikarata Masandawan, Kisalba Limshimanu, Markin Koskona Camility. Maban, Ufeba Pirates, Nashabilo Pirates, Maban, Allah, Kirikoskona Camin, Kirkuzolunga Fanagit, Kiranakia, Sandawana Yata Mutilendit. It like a train, train Lindi, Sandawan, Kirabafana Bastai, Kaufela. Balla ka ofela ba le Sundowns eki win Lindi akubuye muthu mara ke jewe the whole country ba ya celebrate why Lindi ba celebrate the whole country yeah ke win Lindi na ke apeli Lindi ke Masandawana ke rata ka ofela ku tlose Netalfas ke a leboga Lindi ka boyelo Masandawana
hello Lindi okay
ke teng o kae
ke tumedishe ba boredi go gae le Makhosi na ke rata o tshwara motebeng ya Makhosi ke be message mo bona ke re gopela consistency ko bona le striker se sentshwa sa rena ba re ke Igadoro ya mo yena ish re gopela hore le yena abe consistent a sa tshwana le di striker tsela tse dingwe re ka se di bolele ka mabitso ra ba tseba so ke kolele mabagane ya Raja League mara ho ya ka mogonna ke bona dintho gore at the end of the season bona tla ba le ka fase rena re le ka odi so I'm check na bana amen
yeah yes Lindy, thank you so much. Coming to the Sundowns game, honestly one has to applaud Sundowns. This is just how they are doing things now, and it's so simple for them that the assignment that have been there for them, especially in Africa, it's so simple to an extent that if they can win this one again, then they are going for the Club World Cup. And definitely this time it is going to be a different Sundowns ball game altogether. But I'm worried. I'm just worried. Yes, there is the cream of the crop at Sundowns, but is this coach the real coach for Sundowns? That's my question. And seeing all these other players that have left, that are no longer playing, that we know of, the likes of the small boys, if they can come back, definitely we are still going to see a different ball game when it comes to Sundowns. But all in all, Sundowns City is definitely a good team. Thank you so much.
All right, semi-finalists Stellenbosch also through to the group stages of the CAF Confederations Cup following a 4-1 victory over Augusto all the way in Cape Town. Stay with your World of Champions. When we return, we continue the chats. And of course, the DSTV Diski Challenge champions, Amakhosi, will be on tour come next month as they celebrate, of course, winning the championship of the DDC against some of Europe, some top teams in Europe.